Line Tools is one of the world's leading providers of automotive and industrial tools, supplies, and equipment. Mr. Boost all things brew, everybody. If it's got wheels, we boosting it.
I'm not trying to nitpick. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm just creative.
Hey, you didn't even look at it.
I'm gonna show you.
What?
Oh yeah, wheel, everybody. William Bay.
Why isn't it shut?
It needs to come out.
How far?
Open now.
Oh,
No, you see this?
I thought I pulled on it.
No, you have to let it.
Hold your mouth, right?
Yeah.
What do you think? Huh?
You want to keep a speaker in it?
And actually, your door panels will still fit. You just have to cut the plastic out in front of the speaker.
That's what we're talking about. Mine? Is that last night?
I don't know what day it is.
I don't know what day it is either.
That's what you think, man.
What's up, Pete?
It's gonna be a good time.
Now you gotta get in it.
I'm still got the floor out.
Oh, I just want to see you like. So I tried to get in there, man. It was a good time trying to get out, man. I'm not gonna lie.
It's probably gonna do the same thing.
You what?
What? Okay, we better.
What?
Huh?
What? Tell us. What's that?
We better. I thought you were just gonna put the 2 bars down. It's more better. More better.
It's more better for you. Your head.
Yeah.
Which ends up on the lid. So that's the reason why I put that there. Just to reinforce the main hoop. So.
Hey, so. Oh man.
What? Tell me.
Hey, talk through you know, some of the things that makes this cage awesome, man, for the uninitiated.
Open the trunk back up. Please. So, things that make this one better. There's a gusset bar in the corner
Oh man, gussets.
that ties the front kicker to the halo, and you've got the dimple dot gusset plate that ties the front kicker to the A-pillar, and then that same gusset does the same thing on the inside of the car. So the rigging.
Oh man,
Underneath that soundbar.
connected. And I like how you did the gradual, I guess, step down, if you will. Because this has to be up to shoulder level, correct?
Yeah. So when Bruce sits in the car, his shoulder is about right here in the chair. and then his elbow is down here, and so this has to fall inside of that.
Right.
And so their rules say that this has to fall between your shoulder and your elbow. So I just changed it a little bit.
I was thinking,
And then
how it works, but
if you, the other thing about this cage that is different. So if you look at that, the door bar, it falls away towards the door and then goes back in towards the cage. And it's the same thing on the left.
Yeah.
So it's like a roller coaster ride.
Ain't that
put the back
beautiful?
seat in.
I know,
You
dude.
don't need no stinking back seat.
So, the car is tied together as much as possible. And the only thing that we're lacking now, there's a couple more dimple dyed plates that are going to go in the back. And then 2 of them are going to go on the roof for the main halo and the main hoop, because there's a factory brace that goes across there.
Right.
And so we're gonna get those plates put in and get that done. It's just not gonna happen today. We gotta get the car out of the shop so he can take it home, take care of some wiring harness stuff, get some things situated, get the floor cut, so the seat will actually fit in the car. And then we'll get those plates put in and then get the rest of this thing tied together. But it's just, you can't even see it once the car's put together. You won't be able to see it anyway, so it doesn't even matter. Not at this stage right now today. So it's for all intents and purposes done and tied together, and here we are.
Outstanding.
As long as Bruce happy, I'm happy.
Hey, Bru. I just want to say, man, I got in that seat and like it's big dude. Well, not. I'll say grown man approved, man. Like I'm a decent sized dude, and you know I thought I was gonna have issues getting out.
No, dude, those door bars are quite nice. I'm excited.
Yeah.
That part is it's not something you go test out. You don't want to test out your car.
No.
Man.
I'm gonna play with it. No, you don't. You can use it to hang your GoPros on. You could, you know.
I still think we should make something where we shoot.
That's fine. All we need to do is get Dustin to machine something out. So,
Is this just laying?
What about you, William Bailey? Do you approve of this?
Well, yeah.
Hey, give us a thumbs up, man. Hey, this is a momentous event, ladies and gentlemen. This guy gives a thumbs up for somebody's stuff.
he said that he liked it earlier.
All right, he did, didn't he?
He did.
All right, folks. Until next time.